Christy here, and I'm going to be showing you our DNA vanity case. Our rose gold DNA vanity case is so beautiful. It has a high quality luxury finish, a touchscreen mirror, Bluetooth speakers. It has a USB port so you can charge your phone, and it also has removable wheels so you can take it on the go. So how the touchscreen mirror works is you push it, you hold it, and the lights dim, which is so awesome. One thing that's really cool is that it has 3 different light settings. How the speakers work is that you just connect it to your phone and play the music you want to play. Other than the already built-in features, it also comes with your very own remote, so you can turn it on, turn it off, pause your music, play your music, fast forward, rewind, whatever it is you need. And it also comes with your very own vanity case keys. If you're planning on having your travel case hold some really valuable beauty items, the keys definitely come in handy. Next, I think we should take a look inside to see all the storage that this vanity holds. As you can see, inside it has so much room for all your beauty items. When you open it up, you see 2 glass cabinets that lock together to keep all your items safe. Back here you have storage room for your case's removable legs for when you're traveling on the go. These little storage spaces on the sides are super handy for when you're done traveling and no longer need the wheels on your case. Along with the wheels, you can also put some of your other personal belongings. When you open up the case, you will find more storage space for all your beauty products. But a girl's always gotta have more, so if you open it up one more time, you'll see yet another storage space for all your beauty products, all your beauty needs, any personal items. This vanity case has the storage for you. Along with the rose gold DNA vanity case, we also have a rose gold DNA artist chair, which is what I'm sitting on right now. The DNA artist chair is designed for maximum comfort. It is also foldable and made with a very lightweight aluminum frame, making it really easy to travel with. The rose gold DNA artist chair and our vanity case are the perfect pair for all your beauty travels. So I really hope you guys enjoyed learning about all the storage room and all the really cool features our vanity case has to offer. Whether you're always traveling, a beauty blogger on the go, a freelance artist, or just someone who's always traveling, this vanity case is just for you. With the storage space in this, you can carry your DNA hair tools, your DNA serum, all your makeup, literally everything you need to keep you looking fabulous on the go. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and as always, if you have any suggestions on what videos to do next, leave them in the comment section down below. We love making videos for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!